Hello, and welcome to this HelloID provisioning product release video for April 2020. First, we'd like to show you a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities. Let's start with the PowerPoint. We have 7 new items. The first is that we have multiple notifications. In the previous version, this was only 1 per target connector, and now you can specify as many as you like. We also have management of user, profile, and terminal server directories. They can be created for a new account or archived when a user leaves the organization. We also now have the option to set business rules on the job title of the contract. And we have the option to set the account expiration of an Active Directory account. If the provisioning engine is executed, daily or by hand, it will send out a summary report of all the actions that are executed. We now also have the option that the PowerShell source connector automatically derives the field mappings from the first row in the input. In the older versions, you had to do this manually or by script. The last new option, stackdriver. If something is wrong in your provisioning configuration, we now have the option to help you. Per error in HelloID, you have a unique ID that you can send to Tools Forever support. With the stackdriver GUI, support can see exactly what went wrong in your configuration. Again, you can try this yourself. It is available in preview and production. All you have to do is send an email to isupport@toolsforever.com. Let's demo the new functionalities. The first thing we'd like to show you is the change in notifications. Now, it's a new menu option, so notifications is no longer part of the target connector anymore. And here you can specify as many notifications per connector as you like. With this option, we can add extra notifications, and for example, here we have 2 for the Active Directory on-premise. We can send an email to the manager, but also to the new onboarded user. You can also see here that there's another type, the evaluation summary. This is also new in this release, and that will send out a summary of the actions that are executed by the provisioning engine. Let's show you what this looks like. As a manager, we receive an email for a newly created account named Carl. Here the mail is being sent to Amir Atkinson, the manager, but then also an email has been sent to Carl himself to be informed that Amir Atkinson is his manager. There's also an email being sent to the administrator of the summary of the provisioning engine, and here you can see a short summary of all the actions that the engine has done. We can also jump straight into the detailed report. There we can get a better overview of all of the actions that have been done by the provisioning engine. We have also changed the management of the home and profile directories. These are now part of the target system, and of course this is relevant for the on-premise Active Directory only. So you have a new tab, and there you can see the different directories that can be managed if an account has been created or deleted. Here we have specified what file server a home directory needs to be created. This is the path. You can also set the AD home attribute with a corresponding path. Here you have the archive option if the account is deleted. In the account section, we have added the account expiration. That's the one here. So we're setting it to a hard-coded date so the account will expire by the end of this year. We can also show you that all these changes have been incorporated into the new account which we created for Carl. So let's look up his account, Carl Smith. And here you can see that the account is going to expire. We also have a home directory that has been set, and of course that directory is created including the necessary permissions. We have also added an option to the business rules. Now you can set the scope on the job title. We have a rule here, ICT AD groups for managers, and here you now have the title. This is new and was not available before, so you can specify the title, and if you are a director of a manager, you're going to be in the scope of this rule. And here you can see all the directors and managers of this company. The last thing is the stackdriver support. Let's go to the entitlement section. And here you can see that revoke has failed. If you click here and copy-paste this to isupport@toolsforever.com, you can get additional support and we'll be able to see exactly what went wrong. And just to let you know that in the next release, this will be much easier via an interface, so you can do it all by yourself without iSupport. Again, if you want to try this for yourself, please send an email to isupport@toolsforever.com to request access to provisioning for your portal. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a wonderful day.